Hello guys. So we will make a a chocolate cake.
But we're gonna sheet. We're gonna like use that. It's like already kind of like they have already like put this stuff in. And Megan will.
You wanna say hi to the dogs? Okay, I'm just gonna let them say hi to the dogs.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, that looks kind of dangerous.
Yeah, you don't really see anything.
Okay.
Yeah, you see him there.
Doggy. Okay. Okay, so this is like how the thing looks, and it just has this
Ow,
powder.
don't step on me.
And yeah, Megan, you know the rest.
Yeah. Put it in
Yeah.
Guys can put it in here, right?
I don't know. But like, let's do it over here. Do it over here. Okay, you just pour the thing in.
Okay, hold it. Don't make sure it doesn't fall.
Oh, the doggy's neck.
Okay, we need to crack some eggs.
Alright,
I hear you
need
cracking
like 2 eggs.
Same. I only have 2 eggs.
Yeah.
Because it's like 3 in the morning, so we can't really go to match.
Yeah, and egg. Okay, usually you do not do this over the floor.
I need a little butter.
But
Do you know how much?
it's
Well, on the packet.
yeah, everything
No
is set
way.
on the back, so.
It
Alright.
says 125 grams of it. So we're just gonna guess. What if I drop this now? I'd kill you. We will be dead. I just want to see some.
So when you get dirty, you take a napkin.
When you get dirty, you take a napkin. All of it, you're sure? I guess, yeah. Heather, can you get me a spoon?
Spoon? Big spoon or like
Big spoon.
big? Big. So this is like really fast.
Okay, I think that's enough. No, because that's not 125 grams, is it? Can you give me the knife?
Yeah. What's up?
What the
So
butter?
this it should look like
Which
like
it looks disgusting at the moment.
yeah, but it's gonna look good. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna mix it.
Get like a whiskey seasoning.
Yeah, a whisker. I have no idea because I suck at it.
No, 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 no. Mix, mix, mix.
Let's mix all the shit.
Mix this shit up.
Yeah, well, let's just put it on the over there.
It's already good.
Is that good, Alex? Okay, I'm gonna mix it, people. Megan,
No, you don't
Mix
touch it.
No, let's put it on. I'm all dirty now. Oh, no.
I'm just gonna read your song.
Well, let's put it on. Put it there, and then.
I'm doing it.
Okay. Megan, where's your cat? Megan's cat is gone.
Dude, that is how much butter we
Yeah.
need. Look how much butter that is. We need like a whole gulp thingy.
No, Megan, that's 125 grams. Like,
Well, it's meant to be all soggy wuggy like that.
yeah, but see, that looks good.
And then
Okay.
what kind of thing should we use for it? Okay, I'm not like.
Oh yeah.
Needs to go in the oven for 20 minutes. That looks disgusting, but it will probably be good. Should we use icing?
Huh? I wish dogs could hug me. Oh, not for. Oh, not for.
Yeah. Interesting, huh? This is usually not working. We need like milk or something.
Okay. Like, just work it, guys, you know? Work it until it looks really good.
Well, it won't look good.
Okay. So yeah, I just do whatever Anna says because she's always right.
And milk in it.
I don't know. Read the recipe.
I have chocolate milk. Well, I can't read German. I can't read French.
Are you sure? Just mix like.
Le milk it is. Le. Yeah, well, I'm reading German here.
Looks good.
Yeah, you don't need any milk. Well, it's getting better.
Okay, Megan, that's enough.
We got one straight on 20 minutes. Yeah. When it's like whiskey like that.
But now it's all soggy.
Just a minute.
Okay.
It's meant to be all soggy. See, it's meant to be like this. Hello. Look at my poor Frank. Like, I don't know if it's ready or not. So we're kind of pajamas. Because I mean, it's like 3 in the morning. So yeah, it's like 3 in the morning. Shake. Like, do we need to warm the oven up? No, it's fine. Sure? Like, go in that cupboard. Yeah. Shake it. Move it.
Okay, shake.
Okay, and like, we have tons of shapes. Shake it. And this one.
Okay. You just mix that. See? It looks kind of good.
This one? Yeah, sure. So it will be big enough or anything.
It looks pretty good.
Try to taste it. Yeah. Pretty good.
So we will like put it in this.
Yeah, I think we'll put it in there.
Yeah.
Like this.
A baking plate.
Why do we have the chair here?
Why are the dogs running around everywhere?
It is like, stay away.
No, Megan.
I don't know why.
Megan, that's for like taking out the cake to the baking plate.
That is true, but like it needs to be like soggy so that.
Yeah, but still you don't use that. But okay. It's because you put milk in it. You're not supposed to put milk in it.
Well, it's better, isn't it?
Yeah, but
I love milk. Yeah, so milk's fine.
yeah, but milk can destroy things. Hate milk. Hate milk. Hate milk. I'm just kidding.
Everyone loves milk.
It's not
Who doesn't like
Okay, hold
milk or
that.
butter, whatever. It's good, right? Yeah, I think it's good. We can pour it into the thing, you know.
Shake.
Okay, it's good, Hedda. It's good, Hedda.
Are you sure?
It's still like bumpy and stuff.
Yeah, and it's a bumpy and stuff.
Yeah, well, it's thing is all bumpy and stuff.
Then what do we do with that? You just pour it.
Yeah.
Nothing under it. Okay. Okay, let's see this.
Or are you sure?
I can talk first.
Yeah.
I don't read things.
Because this is going to be a really small cake for
Lemon.
What's that? Lemon.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me read it.
Is that like butter?
This video is like 9 minutes.
Yeah, I know, but like, is it like, you know?
I'm gonna take out my body.
Okay. I said if the cake is still like liquidy after you take it out, we can put it in the fridge. Okay.
Yay.
And then leave it for 20 minutes and take it out.
Well, okay, I'll put it in now.
My hair's a mess. You jelly belly? Yeah. No, it looks like it on the picture, really. I think it's because they mix it a lot more. Because they have the big. And we have our hands that we don't mix anything with. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do like 10-minute cake. totally bored. I won't make this cat to come here. No.
We're gonna have a rigid cake.
Rigid cake. Okay, like making this TV is making all the noise. Wait. Okay, everybody wants me to stop filming, so you know. And thumb people. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do
Just kind of shape it
cake. I don't know. But yeah. Yeah, I see you. A beautiful day. People, you want to say bye? No.
What we can do, we can leave it on till 20 minutes, and then we can just cut it out.
We can't do that. Okay, people,
wait,
Megan
no,
is stupid, but okay.
Just do it.
Bye bye.